Good morning students. Today we have to solve next chapter, time and work, and it is depend on direct variation and indirect variation directly. Now the question number first, A can do a 3 upon 4 of a work in 12 days. In how many days can he complete 1 upon 8 of the work? Okay, according to question, in 12 days, in 12 days he can do 3 upon 4 of the work. Okay, in 12 days A can do 3 upon of work in 1 day. In 1 day is work equals to 12 डेज में 3 अपॉन 4 वर्क कर रहा है, तो इन 1 days ज़्यादा करेगा कम करेगा, एंड कम करेगा इन केस ऑफ लेस डेज लेस वर्क मीन्स डिवाइड, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाई 12. ओके, लेस डे less work. You know that in case of this we have to divide less day less work, so this is equals to reciprocal and multiply, जिसके नीचे कुछ नहीं उसके नीचे 1 reciprocal and multiply, then this is equals to 3 upon 4 into 1 upon 12 1 upon 16th work. Okay, in 1 day. Now we have to show that in how many days he can complete 1 upon 8 of the work. Suppose let in x days he can complete 1 upon 8 work. Okay, according to situation we have to find how many days. So suppose we have to complete in x days, then according to us 1 day work of A equals to 1 upon 16. So x days work of A equals to ज़्यादा होगा x into 1 upon 16 मल्टीप्लिकेटिव लॉ, बिकॉज 1 day में 1 upon 16th वर्क कर रहा है, सो x days में कितना करेगा, ज़्यादा करेगा, तो x into 1 upon 16th. अकॉर्डिंग टू अस इन x upon 16th डे में कंप्लीट कर रहा है वो, अकॉर्डिंग टू x डेज में A x अपॉन 16th वर्क कंप्लीट कर रहा है, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इन x डेज A कैन कंप्लीट 1 अपॉन 8 वर्क, तो बोथ आर इक्वल, दिस वर्क इज इक्वल टू दिस वर्क, बिकॉज वी हैव टू सपोज कि x डेज में कंप्लीट कर दे रहा है 1 अपॉन 8 वर्क. सो in x day work of A, x into 1 day work 1 upon 16, according to us this is the work of x day, and according to our assumption x day work is 1 upon 8, so both are equal, and if both are equal then we have to find the value of x. This is equals to 1 upon 8 into 16, 2 days, so x equals to 2 days, and A can do 1 upon 8 work in 2 days. I think you understand, because x days work of A, x into 1 day work. Okay, according to us in x day A can do a work x upon 16, and according to question, according to our assumption, suppose in x day A can complete 1 upon 8 work, so work according to us equals to work according to question, because both work is equals to in x days, so we have to find the value of x is 2 days. Okay, now the question number 6, and the question number 6, A, B can do a piece of work in 6 days and 4 days respectively. A started a work and worked it at for 2 days and then was joined by B. Find the total time taken to complete the work. Okay, A and B can do a piece of work 6 days and 4 days. A can do work 6 days given according to question, and B can do work in 4 days. So one day work of A equals to 1/6, because 6 days में इन 6 days ए कैन कंप्लीट अ वर्क, यानी एक वर्क कंप्लीट कर दे रहा है 6 days में. इन 6 days ए कंप्लीट अ टोटल वर्क, दिन 1 day वर्क इक्वल्स टू 1/6, बिकॉज कम काम करेगा. सेम 1 day work of B equals to 1/4, because in 4 days B can do a total work. So 1 day work of B equals to 1/4. Now according to question, in A started to work at for 2 days. 2 days के लिए A ने वर्क स्टार्ट कर लिया 2 days तक. So 2 days work of A, 2 days work of A, 1 day work 1/6, then 2 days work 2 into 1/6. This is equals to 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 1/3. Okay, so 2 days work is 1/3 work. And now according to question, after 2 days then B joined, okay, and the remaining work B joined, then find the total time taken to complete the work. Firstly we have to find the remaining work, because 2 days का काम तो पूरा हो गया, 1/3 पार्ट पूरा कर लिया ये ने. नाउ उधर जो रिमेनिंग वर्क है वो A एंड B दोनों मिलकर कर रहे हैं. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड इन हाउ मेनी टाइम्स दे कंप्लीट द वर्क. सो रिमेनिंग वर्क इक्वल्स टू टोटल वर्क, यानी 1 वर्क माइनस 1/3 कंप्लीट हो गया. सो एलसीएम दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 3 - 1 2/3. नाउ A and B have to complete 2/3 part of the work. Okay, now 1 day work of A and B equals to 1 day work of A 1/6 plus 1 day work of B 1/4. Now we have to simplify. LCM equals to 12, 6 2 जा 12, 4 3 जा 12, 5/12. So 1 day work of A plus B 5/12. Now we have to prove that A and B in how much time complete the 2/3 part of the work. So suppose let A and B complete the remaining work in X days. Okay, suppose we have to suppose that in X days they complete the work, then X days work of A and B equals to X into 1 day work 5/12. According to us, in X days work is 5x/12, and we suppose that A and B complete the remaining work, means 2/3 part in X day work of A and B, क्योंकि बाद में जब 1/3 काम पूरा हो गया उसके बाद A and B both are doing the work. Now according to us, X day work of A and B is this, and according to question we have to suppose that the remaining work is complete in X day, then this work is equals to the remaining work. Okay, because we have to suppose in X day A and B complete the remaining work. So the work is 2/3 according to question, and according to us this work is equals to 5/12x, because both are the same work, so both are equal. Now we have to find the value of x. So the value of x 5x 12 मल्टीप्लाई में जाएगा, देन दिस इज इक्वल टू इंटू 12, 3 4 जा 12. नाउ x इक्वल टू 4 2 जा 8, 5 मल्टीप्लाई में है तो 5 उधर जाएगा तो डिवाइड में हो जाएगा 8/5, एंड 8/5 मीन्स 5 1 जा 5, 6 7 8/5 1 whole 3/5 days. So x equals to 1 whole 3/5 days. So A and B can complete the work in 1 whole 3/5 days. Thank you.